class 8, let us start practical geometry. I am Pradeep Ingre, TGT Maths, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Ordnance Factory, Ambernath. Now in practical geometry, we want to construct the quadrilateral in different conditions. But before quadrilateral, let us take the some of the requirement for the construction. One of the requirement to find the to bisect the side of the to bisect the side. Let us say this line segment AB. Now we want to draw perpendicular bisector of this side. Then what we do? First of all, we take the rounder and put metallic end at A and draw one arc. And put metallic end of rounder with same distance at B and draw another arc. Now these 2 points are, say, let us say P and Q. Now if you join this P and Q, the resultant line segment is divided into 2 parts, and this angle is also 90 degree. This is called the perpendicular bisector of a side. Perpendicular bisector of side. Now let us find how to draw perpendicular bisector of a side. Let's say segment AB is there. Segment AB, let us say it is of 6 centimeters. Then what we do? Put in rounder, put more than 3 centimeter distance and put metallic end at A and draw one arc. Put metallic end at A and draw one arc. Don't change the distance. Put metallic end at B. Draw another arc. These two arc intersect at P and Q. Join this PQ, intersecting, let us say intersecting the segment AB at O. Then this OA and OB are equal and this angle is 90 degree. This is perpendicular bisector of AB. Now let us find how to find the angle bisector, how to construct the angle bisector. Let us take any angle, say ABC is any angle. Now put some length in the rounder, sufficient length in the rounder, put metallic end at B and draw one arc intersecting these two sides at, say, X and Y. Now put metallic end of rounder at X and draw one arc, and Y draw another arc. This arc of this from X and arc of this from this Y are of same radius, intersecting each other at, say, P and join BP. This resulting into angle bisector. Angle bisector divide the angle into two equal angles. Suppose this angle is 50, then it is 25. Suppose this angle is 40, then this angle is 20. Suppose this angle is 60, then this angle is 30 degree. So angle bisector divide the given angle into two equal angles. Now how to construct angles of 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, 150 degree. Let us see these angles one by one. 75 degree one by one. Now let us first find how to construct the angle 60 degree. To draw 60 degree, let us say this one ray, say OA. Take sufficient distance in the rounder and put metallic end of rounder at O and draw one arc. Now length of arc is this much, say OX. Now OX radius, put metallic end at rounder at X and draw arc with radius OX. Now let us intersect this arc at Y. Join this OY and produce this resulting angle is 60 degree. And this is how to draw angle 60 degree. Suppose we want to construct 30 degree. Then what we have to do? We have to bisect this angle. First of all, we have to construct 60 degree and bisect angle bisector. Just we have seen. Put metallic end of rounder at X and draw one arc with some radius, and with same radius put metallic end of rounder at Y and draw another arc. Now this join this, let us say this P, then this 60 degree divides into 30 degree, 30 degree. This is how to draw 60 degree and 30 degree. Now how to draw this 45 degree? To get 45 degree, first of all we have to draw this 90 degree. 90 degree can be drawn by two different ways. One of the way is to draw perpendicular bisector, and another one of the ways to draw perpendicular, and another way is by just using the angle method. First of all, what we do, take say this OA, ray OA, draw arc of sufficient length having radius OA, say this arc of radius OA, and you know that this radius OA, then this first arc with radius OA, that is this angle is 60 degree. Again put metallic end at suppose say Y and draw a ray intersecting this arc at say Z, then this angle is also 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree, this angle is 60 degree. Now 60 plus 60, now it is 120. Now let us construct 60 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree and 120 degree. Because all these are correlated with each other, construction of this correlated with each other. Let us draw this 60 degree. You know that how to draw 60 degree. First of all, we have to take one ray. Let us say this OA is ray. Now draw one arc of, suppose arc of radius OA. So this arc of radius OA. This arc of length OA, radius OA. Now to draw 60 degree, you know that this radius OA put in the rounder and draw one arc. This arc is of radius OA. Let us say this B. Then this angle AOB is 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. Again with radius OA and center at B, draw another arc which intersect this circle at this arc at C, and this is another 60 degree. Now this 60 degree and 60 degree, it becomes 120 degree. Now this angle is 60 plus 60, that is equal to 120. Now what we do, you know the procedure how to draw angle bisector. This angle is 60 degree. If we draw angle bisector sector of 60 degree, then 60 plus 30 is 90 degree. Now you know procedure how to draw angle bisector. Take some radius in the rounder and draw one arc here with radius B. Draw another arc here. Now and join this O and let us say this P. Join this OP. Join this OP. If we join this OP, then this angle is divided into 30 degree, 30 degree. 30 plus 60, that is equal to 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. Now to how to draw 45 degree. To draw 45 degree, you have to do the method that we have carried in the construction of 90 degree. First of all, you have to draw 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, and after drawing 90 degree, this let us say the BAC angle is 90 degree. Draw angle bisector of this angle BAC. Take some distance in the rounder and draw one arc with center A. Now let us say this intersecting this line, this ray at X and Y. With X and Y as the center, draw one arc from X with some radius, and with same radius draw another arc intersecting each other at say P. And this angle, now this angle, this ray is the angle bisector. This angle is 90 degree, means it is angle bisector, dividing this into 45 degree, 45 degree. Now let us construct the quadrilateral with given condition. Let us do first construction. In this construction, what we have given, 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. Now problem is here. Construct quadrilateral PQRS. PQ equal to 4 cm, QR 6 cm, RS 5 cm, and PS 5 and PRS 7 cm. First of all, do the rough diagram. Do the rough diagram. This PQRS. This PQRS. PQRS, where this 7 centimeter, this 4 centimeter, this 6 centimeter, this 5 centimeter, and this 5.5 centimeter. Now what we do? First of all, we draw one triangle. Now let us say this PR equal to 7 centimeter. Draw first of all this PR. Construct this PR equal to 7 centimeter. On the one side of this PR, there is Q point. Q point at 4 centimeter from P, and it is at 6 centimeter from R. Take 4 centimeter in rounder and put metallic end of rounder at this P and draw arc of radius 4 centimeter. Now QR is of 6 centimeter. Put metallic end of rounder at R and take 6 centimeter radius and draw another arc. Draw another arc of radius 6 centimeter intersecting these two arcs at point, that is Q. This Q point is 4 centimeter from this P and 6 centimeter from R. Now S point is on the another side of this PR. Now this PR, this S is 5 centimeter from R. So take 5 centimeter in the rounder, put metallic end at R and draw one arc of radius 5 centimeter. PS S is 5.5 centimeter from the P. Take 5.5 centimeter, put metallic end of rounder at P and draw arc of radius 5.5 centimeter intersecting these two arcs at S. Now this is equal to 5.5 centimeter and this equal to 5 centimeter. Resulting quadrilateral is quadrilateral PQRS. Now take one problem, first problem, to construct quadrilateral ABCD with given specification. First of all, we do the rough diagram. In this rough diagram of ABCD, we have got this AC equal to 7 centimeter. It is not necessary that we have to start from AC, but it is easy to. So first of all, construct ABC, construct AC of 7 centimeter. On the one side of this AC, there is point D, which is at 6 centimeter from this A. So take in rounder, take 6 centimeter and with radius A, draw one arc. Now this radius is 6 centimeter. Now from this point C, the D point is at 4 centimeter. So take 4 centimeter in the rounder and put metallic end of rounder at C and draw arc intersecting each other at D. Now this CD is equal to 4 centimeter and this AD equal to 6 centimeter, resultant into this triangle ADC. Now we have to construct this triangle ABC. For this ABC, this AB equal to 4.5 centimeter. Put 4.5 centimeter in rounder and put metallic end of rounder at A and draw arc of radius 4.5 centimeter. This arc is of radius 4.5 centimeter. Now this B point is 5.5 centimeter away from C. So put metallic end of rounder at C. Take 5.5 centimeter and draw another arc intersecting these two arcs at B. This B is 5.5 centimeter away from the C and it is 4.5 centimeter away from the 4.57 centimeter away from this point A, resulting into this quadrilateral, resulting into this quadrilateral ABC. Resulting into quadrilateral ABCD.